118ଟି ମୌଳିକ ଗୁଡ଼ିକର ନାମ ଜାଣିବା।
Hydrogen and helium, lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, fluorine and neon. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum and silicon, phosphorus and sulfur, chlorine and argon. Potassium and calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium and chromium, manganese and iron, cobalt and nickel, copper and zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine and krypton. Rubidium and strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium, indium and tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine and xenon, cesium and beryl, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum and tungsten, rhenium and osmium, iridium and platinum, gold and mercury, thallium and lead, bismuth and polonium, astatine and radon, francium and radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, asthenium, fermium, and niobium, nobelium, laurentium, rutherfordium and dupnium, seaborgium and bohrium, hassium and meitnerium, darmstadtium and ricinium, copernicium, anantrium, ferrovium, anapentium, livermorium, anaseptium, ananoctium.